On March 17, 1834, in the small town of Schorndorf in the Kingdom of Württemberg, a spark was lit that would ignite a transformation in transportation. Gottlieb Daimler was born into a world poised on the brink of the Second Industrial Revolution, and it was his genius that would help drive humanity into a new era of mobility. Daimler's story is not merely one of invention. It is a narrative that wends its way through the aspirations and struggles of a visionary. It's a journey that begins with a boy, fascinated by mechanics, who would grow to become an engineer without peer. Raised by a master baker, Daimler's prospects were initially limited. Yet it was evident from his early fascination with machines that his path would diverge from his family's trade. Driven by an insatiable curiosity, young Gottlieb was often found tinkering with mechanical objects, a prelude to his life's work. His formal education in engineering began at the Stuttgart Polytechnic Institute, where Daimler's talents flourished. Here, he immersed himself in the study of industrial technologies. His dedication to learning was unwavering, as he foresaw a future where steam was supplanted by new, more dynamic forms of propulsion. Upon completion of his studies, Daimler embarked on a period of practical experience, traveling across Europe, gathering knowledge, and honing his skills. He spent significant time in France, a hotbed of technological progress, where he was exposed to the internal combustion engine prototypes that would shape his later work. Returning to Germany, Daimler found employment as a technical director at a small engine company where he met Wilhelm Maybach. This meeting was fortuitous. Maybach would become Daimler's lifelong collaborator and friend. Together, they shared a vision to create small, high-speed engines that could be fitted into various modes of transport, a revolutionary idea at the time. In 1882, Daimler purchased a villa in Cannstatt, where he established a workshop he famously referred to as his glass house, due to its transparency. This would become the crucible of innovation where he and Maybach would forge their dreams into reality. Over the next few years, through trial and experimentation, they developed the lightweight, high-revolution engine, which they fittingly named the grandfather clock for its distinctive vertical design. This breakthrough paved the way for the development of the automobile, an invention that would redefine society. However, Daimler's vision extended beyond the automobile. He envisaged engines powering vehicles on land, water, and even in the air. His belief was that mobility was not just about transportation, but about freedom and progress. One of the first applications of Daimler's engine was in a two-wheeled vehicle, the world's first motorcycle. While not initially successful, it was a clear signal of Daimler's intent to innovate across the spectrum of transport. Then came the motorboat, another expression of his versatile engine. Daimler's automobile came to life in 1886 with the motor wagon, a carriage devoid of horses, yet endowed with a soul of fire and steam, a true horseless carriage. The public's reaction was mixed. Some saw it as a novelty, while others recognized its potential to change the world. Daimler and Maybach's efforts were bolstered by the growing industrialization and the burgeoning public interest in motorized vehicles. Their relentless drive for perfection led to several advancements, including the introduction of the four-stroke engine, which would become a staple of the automotive industry. As the applications for his engine multiplied, Daimler sought to expand his operations. He founded Daimler Motoren Gesellschaft, DMG, in 1890, which would become a cornerstone of the automotive industry. The company's guiding principle was Daimler's belief that the best or nothing should be embodied in every product. Despite the commercial success, Daimler's journey was not without challenges. He faced skepticism, financial difficulties, and even health issues. Yet each hurdle only seemed to strengthen his resolve. It was not just Daimler's technological prowess that marked his success, but also his business acumen. He understood the importance of patents and vigorously defended his intellectual property, ensuring that his inventions were recognized and his company protected. In his personal life, Daimler was a family man, marrying Emma Kunz in 1872 and raising 5 children. His home life provided him with the stability and support needed to pursue his ambitions with vigor. Daimler's pursuit of powered flight marked one of his final frontiers. He saw the potential for his engines to be used in airships, and in 1888, his engines powered the first motorized flight. This was a clear testament to the versatility and power of his designs. As the 19th century drew to a close, the effects of Daimler's inventions were beginning to be felt worldwide. The sound of the internal combustion engine became a symphony of progress, heralding the dawn of the automotive age. Towns and cities transformed as roads were built to accommodate cars, and society began to reshape itself around this new, mobile lifestyle. Tragedy struck in 1900 when Daimler passed away, leaving behind a legacy that was far from complete. Yet, his spirit lived on through his company, which continued to innovate and grow. In a fitting tribute to his vision, the merger of DMG with Benz Emsai in 1926 created Daimler-Benz AG, marking the union of 2 automotive pioneers. Daimler's legacy is not merely the engines or the automobiles, but the unyielding spirit of innovation. His life was a testament to the idea that progress is driven by those who dare to imagine and have the courage to bring their dreams to life. It's a legacy that continues to inspire, reminding us that the journey of progress is a perpetual pursuit of the seemingly impossible.